Hello dear listeners, my name is Kалинина Анастасия Романовна. I'm a first-year student of Medical Faculty of Rязанского State Medical University. Today we will talk about 3D printing of organs and tissues. First we will discuss why it is necessary to print organs in space. Next we will talk about the Russian bioprinter. We will discuss the printing of new bones, tooth enamel and bacteria. My presentation will last about 5 minutes. Space has attracted people, science inspired times, and finally in the 20th century has given us the technical opportunity to explore the space. At the beginning of the 21st century, there are a period in new direction in biomedicine. Bioprinting technology. In recent years, development of the 3D bioprinting technology has been activity conducted around the world. Bioprinting creates living tissue by superimposing living cells line by line. In why it is necessary to print organs in space, gravity gets in the way. Employees from 3D bioprinting solutions said that on Earth they could make only patches on human organs, and in space cells freely form a 3D organ. Imagine that cells are taken from a patient with some serious disease, and organs are printed from his other cells, which are 100% likely to take rot. It will be completely acquired technology if it can be transfused to Earth. Bioprinter organ AVT. With the help of bioprinter organ AVT, development by the Russian company 3D Bioprinting Solutions managed to create a viable thyroid glands and successfully transplant into mice. In the future, the creation of other endocrine glands. Tests on mice show that even with the removal of the original gland, it is possible to fully restore or function during transplantation. It is possible to print cartilage, skin and muscles in the plant's tubular structures, or for example vessels and ureters. With the help of bioprinter, it is possible to obtain ceramic biomaterials based on calcium phosphates used for bone regeneration. In 2020, three-dimensional skeletons based on calcium phosphates were formed on board of ISS, were delivered to Earth and implanted into the skull defects of laboratory rats. The implant has demonstrated a high regenerative capacity. Also, the obtained materials can be used as part of toothpaste for the process of remineralization of tooth enamel. Sticky bacteria, and who are that? Another important achievement can be consist the formation with the help of bioprinter organ AVT, three-dimensional bacteria conglomerates consisting of cells and excrete cellular matrix secreted by them. Chronic infections are other associated with the formation of such conglomerates by bacteria in the human body. There is also evidence of changes in properties of bacteria in space and in care them pathology. So this is very necessary formation to create new drugs for astronauts. Nowadays, with technology, has been activity conducted around the world. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.